All right, Tim, take a look at the AVCOO TENS and PMS device. Okay, there it is. So we have two channels on the top, A and B. We have a pretty nice looking display. We got up and down, and on the side we have plus and minus and the power button. And the last thing is on the bottom, that is the USB-C charging port. Okay, we got instructions. We got a little baggie, and it's a nice silky feeling bag, so that's nice. We have our pads. We have 4 large pads, 4 medium pads, and 4 small pads. Quite a variety. And then we got our 2 sets of wire connectors for each channel. And each channel has 2 electrode spots. You can have a total of 4 pads at any given time. So that's pretty cool. It also comes with a charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. So we will use channel A. And I do like that these pads are the snap style. I always prefer this style. So it just snaps on like that. And these are reusable, so if you ever need to, you can just take these and just kind of rinse them off and you'll have that sticky surface back. Ooh, yeah, that really has a nice screen on it. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I can definitely feel it. Right now I'm at an intensity of level 5, 6, 7. So everything that's happening in that arm right now is happening just with this guy. Let's go ahead and change to program 2. So when I do change the program, so that's what these are, it automatically drops the intensity back down to 0. So I don't have to worry about it changing to a program that's going to be too much for me. And then when I press the button on the side, that's where it actually gives me the intensity. Yeah, so it's actually fairly pleasant. So let's go to, we're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So a total of 17 different TENS modes. That's quite a bit. So let's try EMS, electronic muscle stimulation. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Cool. And then if I want to change the time, that's what this button is. So if I want to run this thing for 70 minutes, I can just set this to the program I want, increase the intensity, and then set it down. And whenever it's done, I'm done. So now I can just take these off and save them for next time. It's amazing how much power this thing has for such a small package. So yeah, overall, I'm very happy with that.